How to remove text from images in Windows easily. Did you know you can remove text from images on your Windows PC without any complicated software? Most people don't realize that the built-in Photos app can do it effortlessly. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the image using the Photos app. This is usually the default when you double-click an image. Step 2. Click the Edit button at the top. Step 3. Select the Erase icon from the toolbar. Step 4. Choose the brush size if needed, but this is optional. Step 5. Use your mouse to highlight the area where the text appears. Step 6. Wait for a second or two, and just like that, boom! The text disappears. That's it. Super simple. Now let me show you one more example. This time I'm selecting a different image for my desktop. This one also has some text on it. I'll follow the exact same steps again. And look, the text disappears like magic. So you can remove text from any image with ease. No special software required. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.